Okay lang. Hello guys, so everybody's asking about this LC80 that we have here in the showroom. So everybody's asking, is it been repainted? Guys, this car has never been repainted, obviously. There's a little cosmetic touches. It's 1996. Na-wax na siya, na-buff na siya ng konti, but it's never been fully repainted. This is all original paint. It's in blue. Okay, here's the engine. It's a 1HDT, single overhead cam, turbo. There's the engine. This is the airbox. Hindi po pinturado yan. It's brand new. All the hoses, all the oil changes have been done. All the service on the car has been performed. So, there's the engine. Inuna ko yung engine because I know you guys are gonna ask, ano itsura ng makina. So this is the way it was stored. Guys, it's always been maintained properly. Okay. Their radiator is upgraded to the bigger radiator, brand new battery, brake master, everything is in perfect condition. Okay. Headlights, chromes, all complete, all original. Bumpers, all original. Brand new Falcon tires, original size in 16s. All the trims are complete. Most of all, the interior. Guys, it's in perfect condition. Okay. Obviously, na-detail na siya, kaya malinis-linis na. But, look at how this interior is. It's always been enclosed and wrapped in seat cover. Original steering wheel. Tatanong nyo, bakit ganyan ang kulay? Guys, it's a 1996. So, kaya talaga kulay. Manual 5-speed transmission, upgraded radio. He has 221,692 kilometers. These two used to have fog lights, auxiliary lights, tinanggal. So, shit. We already ordered. I already ordered new panels for this. Flat black panel lang siya. So, we already ordered it. We're just waiting for it. So, sa mga magtatanong bakit may butas dyan, dating may toggle switch yan for the lights. So, tinanggal lang. But, everything is complete. Everything is working. Here. All power windows work. So there, hindi pa siya dilaw na dilaw. Some of the aircon ducts are dilaw na dilaw, but this one, it shows signs of aging, but it's not. It's been garaged kasi the whole time. So there. Look at the seats, guys, and the carpet. It's in perfect shape. Even the plastic, it's in good shape pa, no? So, it was very, very well kept. And you can tell, guys, yung balatsuha niya, this is the original balatsuha. Pag nakita nyong sobrang kintab yan, di na original paint yan. Here's the rear of the car. Aircon vents are all in one piece. So the other side. Tor, start mo nga. Then park mo na siya. So ayan, si Arthur, i-start na yung kotse. Puta Tor, pag ikaw sumakay sa kotse, parang laki. Ha? Yeah. One click. Puta. One click. Parang brand new, no? Aircon, buksan mo. Malamig ba aircon?
Malamig.
Malamig. Parang patay. Malamig. Yan. Yan guys, malamig. It's, yeah. Kanina nakasweater yan si Arthur. Ngayon, nainitan na eh. So there. Guys, it's, car's in perfect shape. Ito yung, guys, there you go. 1996 LC80 in the flesh. Call now. This car's not gonna last. Okay, so if you guys are dreaming of owning one, if you guys are dreaming of owning one, this is your chance to own one of the best examples of the Land Cruiser that was ever built by Toyota. So yan, meron pa isa. That's armored. That's LC79, newly armored. So, yan. Parada muna, parada. So there, papark na ni Arthur. Grabe yung tunog. It's a macho sound. Sounds like a truck. This is, guys, this is the car that you hand down to your children, to your grandchildren, to your grandchildren's grandchildren. Kasi ito yung kahit mag-zombie apocalypse, pwede pa. So guys, give us a call. Numbers are on the post. Car won't last. Give us a buzz. Thank you, guys.